Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, 12th of June. We are glad to present our weekly analytical review for the major Forex instruments. Last week the euro-dollar pair was trading in a narrow range of 1.1165–1.1285. Bouncing off from the upper border of the range, the course moved to the face of the downward correction. At the moment, the level of 1.1165 is seen as the key for sellers. Breakdown of this level will open the way to the levels of 1.1110 and 1.0973. Otherwise, the growth may resume, and after the breakout of the level of 1.1285, the pair may reach the level of 1.1370. Technical indicators signal the formation of a downward movement. The Bollinger Bands are narrow, confirming the current downward trend. The MACD histogram is in the positive zone, its volumes are gradually reducing. The stochastic is directed downwards. Note that a significant volatility of the market this week may be caused by the US Fed's decision on the interest rate. It is expected that the US regulator will raise the rate once again. In this case, the US dollar can receive substantial support, which in turn will put pressure on the euro-dollar pair. Pound-dollar pair fell to the area of 1.2674 after the results of the parliamentary vote in the UK became known. Later, the price was corrected to the area of 1.2768. A breakout of this level will open a way to the levels of 1.2850 and 1.29. If the level of 1.2768 is not broken, then a downward trend is likely to resume. In this case, the decline will continue to the area of 1.26. Technical indicators show the seller's influence. The Bollinger Bands show a divergence, confirming the current downward trend. The MACD histogram decreases in the positive zone, the stochastic is directed downwards. The dollar-yen pair, after the reduction to the 109.11 area, was corrected to the area of 110.50. The formation of the upward movement will be possible if the price consolidates above the level of 110.80. In this case, the growth will continue to the area of 111.80. If the level of 110.80 is not broken, then a downward trend is likely to resume. In this case, sellers' goals will be the levels of 109.11 and 108.13. Technical indicators do not give a clear signal. Bollinger Bands show a convergence, indicating the continuation of the corrective movement upwards. The volumes of the MACD histogram move along the zero line, signaling relative calmness in the market and lateral movement of the pair. Market participants are waiting for the decision of the US Federal Reserve on the interest rate and do not rush opening major positions. The Australian dollar-US dollar pair rose up to 0.7565, but could not gain a foothold above this level. Breakout of the level will allow the pair to reach the levels of 0.7612 and 0.7679. However, correction may occur to the area of the middle line of Bollinger Bands at 0.7474, after which a reversal and a repeated test of the resistance level of 0.7565 are expected. The formation of downward movement will be possible if the price consolidates below the level of 0.7474. In this case, the sellers will try to lower the rate to the area of 0.7414 and 0.7372. Technical indicators confirm the upward trend. Bollinger Bands are directed upwards. The MACD histogram grows in the positive area, but the stochastic is in the overbought zone and is directed downward. Quotes of gold within the downward correction managed to fall below the level of 1270 and test the support level of 1264.49. A breakdown of this level will open the way to the level of 1253.04. Technical indicators confirm the downward trend. The Bollinger Bands converge, the volumes of the MACD histogram are decreasing in the positive zone. The stochastic is pointing down. The resumption of the upward movement will be possible if the price consolidates above the level of 1279.42. In this case, the continuation of growth is possible to the levels of 1288.67 and 1296.18. This is all for today, and good luck with your trading.